You might have had a Scottish Music Awards. It's funny that you might have had a Scottish, but nobody did. Nobody did it. So it was the Nordoff Robbins. It wasn't the Nordoff Robbins Music Therapy in Scotland, I should say, that helped put this together. So it was our idea. There was a wee space there, so hopefully it can grow and keep growing. As I said earlier in the opening remarks, so it's doom and gloom time. Oh no, no money, And tonight, folk again have proved, when it comes to supporting a charity that they love, they'll dig deep and they will fork out. Well, the thanks goes to everybody that gives their time to put this event together. I mean, because most of the people here, that put this, do it on their, for nothing, or they do it just at cost. So everybody that's been involved, and that list is exhaustive. But the artists make the night, and I know in some quarters they're saying, say like the Musicians Union and people like that, saying that artists are getting fed up doing charity events, and really they should be paid for their time. But when it's a music therapy charity night and it's the Scottish Music Awards, if you're not here, you're missing something.